So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-sign in ng account sa ating Eagle PH app. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And once you learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, itap lang natin or i-open lang natin ang ating Eagle PH app. So kung wala pa kayo nito guys, pwede kayo mag-download sa Google Play Store and then mag-create kayo ng account or mag-register kayo dito sa Eagle PH para makakapag-sign in tayo. So dito guys, pagka-open, ilalagay lang natin yung ating mobile number na ginamit sa pag-register dito sa Eagle PH app. Kasi yun yung gagamitin natin para sa pagla-login natin dito. So lagyan nyo lang guys yung 11-digit mobile number. And then, after yung malagay, tap nyo lang yung login. And after yan guys, may magsasend na OTP code sa ating 11-digit mobile number. And then, yun yung ilalagay natin dito sa blank boxes. So, 295870. So, ayan guys. So, tap lang natin dito yung continue. Or gusto nyo enable natin yung fingerprint login. So, enable natin guys. And then, tap natin yung continue. And ilagay lang natin guys yung ating PIN sa ating Eagle PH app. So dapat guys, tandaan nyo yung PIN kasi ito yung nilalagay natin kapag mag-create tayo ng account sa Eagle PH app. Pero kung nakalimutan nyo na yan guys, pwede nyo namang itap or pindutin yung forgot PIN. So ayan guys, lalagay ko na yung aking PIN. And ayan guys, nakapag-login na tayo sa ating Eagle PH app. And ganito guys yung itsura ng homepage ng ating Eagle PH app. So, ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-sign in sa Eagle PH. If you have a question, please comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.